Maliban sa pagkaroon ng earnings, ano-ano pa ba ang mga benepisyo ng isang content creator? Una ay magkaroon siya ng creative expression. Dahil sa kanyang pag-content ay talagang maipakita niya ang kanyang mga talents, ang kanyang mga kakayahan, skills niya, whatever, in talking to a group of people, maraming audience. Creative expression. Number 2, community building. Dahil na-reach natin ang iba't ibang panig ng daigdig, ay nagkaroon tayo ng isang grupo, community of content creators, of our followers, including the viewers. Community is not only defined as a group of people living in one particular place, having one commonalities, beliefs, culture, interests, so on and so forth. There is another meaning for that, which is geographical community or global community. That's still a community, although we're not living in one place, but in as much as we have the same purpose, the same intention in life to create a content, then we are really converted into a community. Next is flexibility. As a content creator, we have our own schedule. We can manage what time to film or to record our video. Same with time of posting. So, we have flexibility. We can adjust according to our own schedule. We can have our changes about our task as a content creator. Next, of course, is monetization opportunity. For some, this is the number one benefits of being a content creator. Not knowing there are other benefits o may makaakibat pala ito, hindi lang ang monetization. Of course, we are here to earn money. Lahat tayo ay naging content creator. We are expecting that there will be potentialities as well as possibilities of having earnings as a content creator. So that is monetization opportunity. I would like to add sharing knowledge. Yes, sharing knowledge, especially if we have our content of tutorial, we can share our knowledge, our experiences that we encountered as a content creator. And it is really shall we have that statement that it's reliable in as much as it is based on the personal experience of a creator. The last is personal growth. As we have our task in creating a content, we are becoming slowly an expert in photography, videography, in editing as an editor. And we can be a good speaker, being a content creator that we are always talking to our audience. So these are the benefits of a content creator that I have listed, I have canalized and calibrated. If you have other additional benefits of being a content creator, please write in the comment section. I will be having now the recapitulation. The benefits of a content creator are the following: creative expression, community building, flexibility, community interaction or building, that's it, personal growth, and sharing of knowledge. Kung mayroon kayong karanasan na nakuha sa aking karanasan, ay mangyari lang paki-likes, comment, and share my long-form video dahil ang karanasan ko ay magiging karanasan mo na rin. I am your teacher vlogger, retired master teacher 1, live and alive, somewhere in Davao City. Life is here. Teacher na, vlogger pa. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, good life. Long live, good life, good person. Thank you for watching. Until my next vlog, and see you